अरे तिबू क्या हुआ? रुको मैं तेरे लिए कुछ लेकर आती हूँ. हाँ रुको. तिबू, here is some honey for you. You'll feel better. Have it.
कुछ अजीब सा टेस्ट है, हनी कम और शुगर ज्यादा लग रहा है.
अच्छा, let me also taste. हाँ ये तो शुगर सिरप जैसा है ना. रुको और एक बॉटल है, मैं वो लाती हूँ.
हाँ हाँ ले आओ.
ये ट्राई करूँ ना.
Yeah, this actually tastes like honey.
अच्छा, you remember in school days we have learnt about adulteration and all. Should we check for this one too?
Yeah, let's do it. There are different tests now. Let's try a few.
Now we will be performing few tests to know whether the honey which I have at home is pure or not. So the first test is very simple, it's just the thickness of the honey, okay? So there are so many methods of figuring out whether the honey which we are using is pure or adulterated. So here the thickness, okay? So the pure honey will be pretty thick and it will take time, you know, when you're transferring it from one jar to the other. If it is not, if it has some impurities, then it will be thin and you can just like, you know, it will take less time to flow. That's a very simple technique to know whether the honey which you have been using is pure or not.
So now test number 2, stickiness of honey. I have taken 2 samples and let's check. First sample I just rubbed between fingers. Pure honey tends not to be sticky when rubbed between fingers, okay? But the fake honey, it is fairly sticky when rubbed between fingers because of the presence of high amount of sweeteners and additives. So this is pure for me and this is fake. This you can check by rubbing in between your fingers.
The next one is the egg yolk test. I have egg yolk here. So once you add the pure honey, let's see, this egg yolk becomes like the cooked one, okay? But if the honey is pure, not pure, if it is adulterated, then there won't be any change. So I'm really curious about what is going to happen. Let's just check. So I have only taken the yellow part, okay? Exit. So I'm adding honey to it. I really hope the honey which I have been using is actually pure. So now if you mix it, it will become as if it has been cooked, you know. So now what do you think? Is the honey which I've been using from so many years is pure or adulterated? You can see now this is how the egg yolk looks like. Now based on that, can you tell me whether it is pure or not?
Okay, so now the test number 4, that is dissolving method. Now I have taken 2 samples of honey and 2 glasses of water. So first I will check with this one and I'm adding it into water. Can you see kids? This honey is making lump at the bottom and settle down at the bottom. It is not getting dissolved, right? But with time it will get diluted. Let's check this one. This honey you can see that does not make much lumps but dissolved in water right away. So that means it has much amount of sweeteners which get dissolved easily. So pure and the fake. Thank you.
So not only these methods, there are other methods too to find out whether the honey is pure or not, like
heating honey,
taste of honey,
honey smell or aroma.
Yeah, but that technique can be used by the people who can actually differentiate the smell. I don't think I can do it. I'm like, no.
So students, do let us know in the comment section जो आपके घर में honey है वो pure है या फिर adulterated. टेस्ट कीजिए और हमें बताइए।
This is not that honey, no?
No.
हनी के एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स में जो भी प्रॉमिस किया है वो मिले या ना मिले, पर वेदांतु में जो भी प्रॉमिस किया हुआ है सब कुछ मिलेगा फॉर क्लासेस 6 to 12, JEE, NEET एंड क्रैश कोर्सेज टू।
So, अगर आप ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस नहीं करना चाहते हैं तो लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड अप्लाई द कूपन कोड to get the amazing offers. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.